A powerful winter storm locked down New York City, burying streets, crippling travel and pushing emergency systems into high gear as one of the region's strongest blizzards in a decade tore through the U.S. Northeast. Visuals show snow-blanketed Central Park, where nearly 20 inches of snow fell, ranking among the highest totals ever recorded. Streets were largely deserted as residents trudged through deep snow and buses moved slow along ice-slicked avenues. Mayor of New York, Zohran Mamdani, urged residents to stay off the roads while emergency crews worked to clear streets and bus stops. The city lifted its travel ban by Monday, but officials warned that conditions remained icy and dangerous. By Tuesday evening, New York had deployed thousands of emergency shovelers with their pay raised to $30 an hour.
If you can, remain indoors. If you must leave your home, please rely on public transit. I am grateful for our tireless agency teams who have been working nonstop to prepare our city for this blizzard and to keep New York running. This has been a full-force winter weather response operation, with 2,600 sanitation workers deployed on every 12-hour shift and over 2,300 plows, including 700 salt spreaders mobilized citywide.
Travel has ground to a near standstill. More than 5,700 flights were cancelled nationwide, including over 1,300 in and out of New York's major airports across the city. Power outages hit thousands of homes, roads were shut and transit disrupted. Yet, amid the disruption, residents described neighbors helping each other and navigating the storm together.
I just feel like a snow day also just brings out, whenever there's something to rally together around, it helps, right? So in day to day, people are very about their own business, but whether it be this or a tree falling or whatever it is, people help.
National Weather Service described the storm as the most significant nor'easter to hit the city since 2017, warning of black ice and lingering hazards. Forecasters say another storm system forming over the Great Lakes could arrive within days.